Hello everybody and welcome back to another Weather Guide video. Today we are talking about Winter Storm Wesley, the wild spring blizzard. I am using Tropical Tidbits and Keynote. My logo is made with Pic Collage. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you're on a computer, click the logo in the right hand corner, the bottom right hand corner. If you're on a mobile device, minimize this video and click the red button below. Thank you Pinterest for the photo. If you want extra content, make sure to go follow my Instagram. It is YouTube_weather_guy. Thank you, Working with Dog, for this photo. I am using the NAM 3-kilometer model. On Wednesday, Wesley is going to move into the Midwest, bringing a stripe of very intense snowfall, and then later that day, as that pushes east, some stronger winds. Thursday, those blizzard conditions are going to move east as Wesley pushes through Nebraska, South Dakota, North Dakota, and Minnesota. Now I'm using the 12-kilometer model. On Friday, Wesley's snow will move into Canada while the wet side moves into the northeast. All the snow will wrap up in Minnesota, and Friday into Saturday, all the rain will move into the northeast. Here is the total snowfall before melting. As you probably notice, here's our target zone. We have areas that are picking up more than 2 feet of snow in North Dakota and western Minnesota. We also have areas that are picking up more than 18 inches of snow in western Minnesota, mostly all of South Dakota, and some parts of North Dakota and Nebraska. And areas in Minnesota, North Dakota, Wisconsin, Iowa, Nebraska, and South Dakota are getting a foot of snow. Other areas in Wisconsin, the UP of Michigan, and Canada are getting 6 to 12 inches of snow. Now we move on to our total accumulated precip. As you see, the areas that are getting the most snow are going to be getting the most liquid as well. But there is a large area of 1/2 inch to 2 inches as well. So not a soaker, but there will be a significant amount of rain with this storm. Enough to water that grass if you're on the south side, and a lot of snow for the north side. Now we move on to our wind speeds at 10 meters. We are looking for yellow here to indicate blizzard conditions with this storm, which is possible. Not saying it's definitely going to happen. As we start to see this thing move into the Central Plains, a lot of blues, that's your 20 mile an hour. Then we start to get into the mid-20s. And then in the north, we're only going to see your greenish yellows. So not a great chance of blizzard conditions, but there is a slight chance. Thank you guys for watching. And thank you to Adobe Rush for the editing of this video. I am sorry for the choppiness of this video. My screen recorder on my tablet is not working today, so I can only record in less than 1 minute blocks. So with that, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.